show you how to take care of your stethoscope. There are three main pieces: the ear tubes, the chest piece, and the tubing. Never, ever put your stethoscope in water. We use alcohol pads. Open the alcohol pad and gently wipe around the chest piece. Be sure not to get any drips of alcohol inside the stethoscope or it won't work properly. Next, wipe down the tubing and then the ear tube pieces. Now gently clean each of the little ear pieces that fit inside your ear. Make sure not to get any alcohol inside of them. Rocket says that you have to clean the ear pieces regularly because some people have ear boogies. And you don't want to get ear boogies, so clean the ear pieces regularly. Lastly, take a little cotton swab, put a very little bit of alcohol on it, and clean in the little crevices that you missed with the alcohol pad. Now, your stethoscope is clean and ready to use.